Hey, can you really see how delicious this pasta is? I think we should get right to it. I'm adding here the pasta that I boiled. This is 500 grams of pasta, and now I'm arranging it nicely so that it's spread all over. So I'm going to fill it well. Let's make some space to put the vegetables. Then I'm adding a chopped tomato, a chopped pepper, 1 yellow pepper and 1 red pepper, half a cucumber and half a hot pepper. Parsley is to your taste. You can put as much as you want, and on top we're adding cubes of cheese. I prefer cubes so that the flavor is more pronounced. Now let's put it aside and let's make this delicious sauce. Yes, it looks great. I add a little olive oil here, about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. In this way we take 2 spoons of mustard to all of it so that we don't leave anything. I squeeze half a lemon in this way, and then I add a little oregano, a teaspoon of thyme, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of black pepper, and now I mix everything quietly, and now after mixing I bring it here and I put it on my pasta in this way, and now let's mix it well. In this way all the flavors will combine. Well done, it's really a great and quick recipe. Very good and delicious, I can't wait to enjoy it. Do you want to cook like that with your family? It's really perfect. And now I'm going to put this delicious pasta on the plate to taste it. And you can see it's really delicious.
When you subscribe, you will be the first to watch every new video and discover interesting topics. So, why don't you wait any longer? Subscribe now and join the fun.